prove that here this matrix determinant should be equals to 4abc. So first what I am doing here, R1 replacing with R1 minus R2 minus R3. So then what will happen here, R1 will be replaced, so A plus B, R1 minus R2 minus R3, so minus A minus B. Similarly here A minus bracket of A plus C minus C. Next to B minus C bracket of B plus C. So now what happened here, plus A minus A plus B minus B cancel, and here A plus C, C, B, C, B plus C. So let's simplify. Here total answer 0. Here A, remove the bracket, A minus C, here minus C. So B minus C minus B minus C. Here A, B, so it is A plus C, C, and it is C, B plus C. So is there any cancel? Plus A minus A cancel, plus B minus B cancel. So then 0, and here minus C is minus 2C. Next here minus C minus 2C. Next A plus C, C, here B, C, B plus C. So it is equals to, from the first row we can take minus 2C common. So take the minus 2C common. Here 0, 1, 1. So A plus C, C. Here B, C, B plus C. So now expand the first row elements. So minus 2C. So take the bracket. Here first element is 0. So 0 into anything is always 0. So no need to write here. Next second element is 1, but you should take the minus 1. So here cancel it. A into B plus C, B into C. So A into B plus C minus B into C. Next third element is 1. So cancel the row and column. A into C minus B, A plus C into B. So A into C minus bracket of A plus C into B. So bracket close. So it is equals to minus 2C. So we can remove it. So minus 1 into AB plus AC minus BC. Next plus 1 into AC minus AB minus BC. So it is equals to minus 2C into here minus 1 multiplied inside minus AB minus AC plus BC, and 1 into AC minus AB minus BC. So it is equals to minus 2C into, so here minus AB minus 2AB, minus AC plus AC both are cancelled, plus BC minus BC cancel. So minus 2C into minus 2AB, 4ABC. So this is our required answer. So hence proved. Fifth bit first problem. So here R2 replace with R2 minus R1. Next similarly R3 replace with R3 minus R1. So then what will happen here? BC, B plus C, here 1. So R2 is replaced with R2 minus R1. So here, so R2 minus R1 means CA minus BC, C plus A minus bracket of B plus C, 1 minus 1. Next to R3 replace with R3 minus R1. So AB minus BC. Next to A plus B minus bracket of B plus C. So 1 minus 1, 0. So it is equals to BC, B plus C 1. So from this we can take the C common, so A minus B, and here C plus A, remove the bracket, minus B minus C, 1 minus 1 0. From this take the B common, so A minus C, so here A plus B, remove the bracket, minus B minus C, 1 minus 1 0. So it is equals to BC, B plus C 1. So C bracket of A minus B. So what happened here, plus C minus C cancel, so then A minus B 0. So B bracket of A minus C, so here plus B minus B cancel, so A minus C 0. So here from this row we can take the A minus B common, and from this row we can take A minus C common. So A minus B common from the second row, A minus C common from the third row. So then mod, so second row is C 1 0, third row is B 1 0. So now expand the third column to find out the determinant. So in the third column, two elements are zeros, so then only one element. So here 1 into, cancel the row and column, C into 1 is C, minus B into 1 is B, and the remaining two are zeros. So then A minus B into A minus C, A minus B into A minus C. So in the bracket, 1 into C minus B is C minus B. So it is equals to A minus B into, to get the required answer, take the minus common from this. So if you taking the minus common, it is C minus A, and from this take minus common, so B minus C. So minus into minus plus, so then A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. Fifth bit second problem, replace R2 with R2 minus R1 and replace R3 with R3 minus R1. So then that means it is very clear, first row will come as it is. So here second row will be replaced with R2 minus R1, so 1 minus 1, C plus A minus bracket of B plus C. So next C square plus A square minus bracket of B square plus C square. Next R3 replace with R3 minus R1. So 1 minus 1, A plus B minus bracket of B plus C. Next A square plus B square minus bracket of B square plus C square. So it is equals to 1 B plus C, B square plus C square. 1 minus 1 0. Here C plus A minus B minus C, remove the bracket, and here also remove the bracket, C square minus A square minus B square minus C square. Here 1 minus 1 0, A plus B minus B minus C, so A square plus B square minus B square minus C square. So plus C minus C plus B minus B plus C square minus C square plus B square minus B square cancel. So now first row is 1, here B plus C, next B square plus C square, so here 0. Next here A minus B, next A square minus B square, next here 0, here A minus C, A square minus C square. So 1 B plus C, here B square plus C square, so 0, here A minus B, here A square minus B square formula, A plus B into a minus b, 0 a minus c, here also a plus c into a minus c. So now from this second row we can take the a minus b common, and from this third row take the a minus c common. So then a minus b common, a minus c common, mod 1 b plus c, b square plus c square. So here 0 1 a minus b, 0 1 a minus c, sorry here 1 a plus b, so 0 1 a plus c. So now expand the first column, and here two elements are zeros, so only one element, that is 1. So here take the bracket 1 into bracket of 1 into a plus c minus 1 into a plus b. So 1 into a plus c is a plus c minus 1 into a plus b is a plus b. Next to minus 0 into plus 0 into, so it is equals to a minus b into a minus c into here 1 into a plus c minus a minus b. So here what happened, plus a minus a cancel, so a minus b into a minus c into c minus b. So to get the required answer, a minus b into, from this we can take the minus common, c minus a, and from this we can take the minus common, then b minus c. So then it is equals to a minus b, here minus into minus plus, b minus c into c minus a. So hence proved. Sixth question, here I am going to replace the r1 with r1 minus r2 minus r3. So then b square plus c square minus b square minus c square, next to a square minus bracket of c square plus a square minus c square, next to a square minus b square minus bracket of a square minus a square plus b square. So this is the first row. So next one, so here plus b square minus b square plus c square minus c square cancel, so 0, and here a square minus, remove the bracket, minus c square minus a square minus c square, next here a square minus b square minus a square minus b square. So here second row b square, and here c square plus a square, and here b square, so c square, here also c square, so a square plus b square. So now plus a square minus a square cancel, here also plus a square minus a square cancel. So then, so it is equals to 0, here minus c square minus 2c square minus b square minus 2b square, and here b square, c square plus a square, b square, c square, c square, a square plus b square. So it is equals to, from the first row we can take the minus 2 common, so minus 2 bracket of 0, c square, b square, here b square, c square plus a square, b square, so c square, a square plus b square. Now expand the first row elements, so minus 2, here bracket of, here first element is 0, so 0 into anything is 0. Next second element is minus c square, so minus c square bracket of, so here cancel it, and here b square into a square plus b square into c square. So b square a square plus b to the power of 4 minus b square c square. Next third element is plus b square. Here cancel the row and column. B square into c square minus c square into c square plus a square. So b square into c square minus c square into c square c to the power of 4 minus c square a square. Now it is equals to minus 2 into, here 0 into anything is 0. Now multiply minus c square inside. So minus a square b square c square minus c square b to the power of 4. So otherwise b to the power of 4 into c square. Next minus b square into c to the power of 4. Next here multiply inside plus b to the power of 4 c square minus b square c to the power of 4. So next minus a square b square c square. So it is equals to minus 2 into minus a square b square c square minus a square b square c square minus 2a square b square c square minus b to the power of 4 c square plus b to the power of 4 c square minus b square c to the power of 4 minus b square c to the power of 4. So then minus 2 into minus 2, so plus 4 a square b square c square. Seventh question, here replace C1 column 1 with C1 plus C2 plus C3. So then here the C1 is a plus b plus 2c, so plus a plus b. Next here c plus b plus c plus 2a plus b. Next c plus a plus c plus a plus 2b. C plus a plus 2b. And remaining two columns will come as it is, b plus c plus 2a, a. Next here b, b, c plus a plus 2b. So let's simplify it. So it is equals to, here a plus a 2a, b plus 2b 2b. So 2a plus 2b plus 2c, and similarly here also 2a plus 2b plus 2c, 2a plus 2b plus 2c. So here a, b plus c plus 2a, a. So b, b, c plus a plus 2b. From the first column we can take take 2a plus 2b plus 2c common. So 2a plus 2b plus 2c common from the first column. Then 1, 1, 1. So a, b plus c plus 2a plus a. B, here b. So c plus a plus 2b. So now what I am doing, R2 replace with R2 minus R1. Next to R3 replace with R3 minus R1. So then here 2a plus 2b plus 2c into R1 no changes, so 1 a b, but R2 replace with R2 minus R1, so 1 minus 1. Then here b plus c plus 2a, R2 minus R1, so minus a. Next here b minus b, Next R3 replace with R3 minus R1. So 1 minus 1, A minus A. So here C plus A plus 2B minus B. So 2A plus 2B plus 2C mod. So first row will come as it is 1 A B. Here 1 minus 1 is 0. From this B plus C plus 2A minus A means A plus B plus C. So next here B minus B cancel, 0. Next here 1 minus 1, 0. Here A minus A cancel, 0. Here C plus A plus 2B minus B is A plus B plus C. So from this we can take the 2 common. So 2 bracket of A plus B plus C. See, now observe it. In the second row we can take A plus B plus C common, and third row also same, A plus B plus C common. So then overall A plus B plus C common 2 times. So then the matrix is 1 A B, here 0 1 0 0 0 1. So then 2 into A plus B plus C whole cube. Now expand the first column to get the determinant. So take the bracket, first element is 1. So 1 into row and column cancel is 1 into 1 minus 0 into 0. So 1 into 1 is 1 minus 0. Next second element is 0. Next third element is 0. So it is equals to 2 bracket of A plus B plus C. So it is a bracket value is only 1. Sorry, here it is whole cube and the bracket value is 1. So its answer is 2 bracket of A plus B plus C whole cube. Eighth question, R1 replace with R1 plus R2 plus R3. So then A minus B minus C plus 2B plus 2C. Next to 2A plus B minus C minus A plus 2C. Next to 2A plus 2B plus C minus A minus B. So then here 2B, here B minus C minus A, 2B. So 2C, 2C, C minus A minus B. So now it is equals to A minus B minus C plus 2B plus 2C. Simplification is A plus B plus C. Next it is 2B and next here 2C. Next from here the simplification is same, A plus B plus C. Next here B minus C minus A, 2C. So its simplification is A plus B plus C. So here 2B C minus A minus B. So we can take the A plus B plus C common from the first row. Then here 1 1 1, 2B B minus C minus A, here 2B. So 2C 2C C minus A minus B. So next what I am doing, C2 column 2 replace with C2 minus C1 and column 3 replace with C3 minus C1. So then here A plus B plus C. So first column no changes. So 1 2B 2C will come as it is. But second column is replaced with C2 minus C1. So 1 minus 1 B minus C minus A minus 2b. So next 2c minus 2c. Next c3 replace with c3 minus c1. So 1 minus 1, c3 2b minus c1 2b, c minus a minus b minus 2c. So now a plus b plus c mod, so 1 2b 2c. Here next second column 1 minus 1 0, and its simplification is minus bracket of a plus b plus c. Next 2c minus 2c cancel 0. Next third column 0, 2b minus 2b 0, and its simplification is minus bracket of a plus b plus c. So it is equals to a plus b plus c. From the second column we can take a plus b plus c common, and from the third column also same a plus b plus c common. So that means we are going to take the a plus b plus c common 2 times. So 1 2b 2c. Next here 0, and here minus 1 because a plus b plus c is common, 0. Next third column 0 0 minus 1. So now expand the first row. So it is equals to a plus b plus c whole cube. So if you expand in the first row, first element is 1, so cancel it. So 1 minus 0, and second element is 0, and third element is 0. So it is equals to a plus b plus c whole cube. So and its total answer is 1. So then the final answer is a plus b plus c whole cube. Ninth question. First of all, R2 replace with R2 minus R3. So then 1 plus x, 1 plus y, 1 plus z. Next second row is x square plus x minus x square, y square plus y minus y square. Next z square plus z minus z square. And the third row is as it is. So it is equals to 1 plus x. So here plus x square minus x square cancel, x, here x square, 1 plus y square minus y square cancel, y, here y square, plus z square minus z square cancel, so 1 plus z, z square. So next C1 replace with C1 minus C2, and C2 replace with C2 minus C3. So then first C1 1 plus x minus C2, so minus 1 minus y. Next here x minus y. Next here x square minus y square. So next C2 replace with C2 minus C3. So 1 plus y minus, so here minus of 1 plus z is minus 1 minus z. So y minus z, y square minus z square, and C3 will come as it is. So it is equals to plus 1 minus 1 cancel, so x minus y, here x minus y. So x square minus y square can write as a x plus y into x minus y. So next here plus 1 minus 1 cancel, y minus z. So here also y minus z. Next here y square minus z, 1 plus z, here z square. So from this first column we can take x minus y common, so x minus y, and from this second column take y minus z. So then overall x minus y common, y minus z common. So then first row will become 1 1 x plus y, and the second row is 1 1 y plus z. Next third row is 1 plus z z square. So now r1 replace with r1 minus r2. So it is equals to x minus y into y minus z into r1. So 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 plus z minus z, and r2 will come as it is, and r3 also same, z square. So now it is equals to x minus y, y minus z into 1 minus 1 0, 1 x plus y, 0 1 y plus z minus z cancel, 1 z square. So now expand the first row. So bracket, here first element is 0 and second element also 0, but third element is 1. So 1 into y plus z, 1 into x plus y. So 1 into y plus z is y plus z minus 1 into x plus y is x plus y. So now it is equals to x minus y, y minus z into, say it is a total 0, so then y plus z minus x minus y. So x minus y into y minus z into, so here plus y minus y cancel, z minus x. So the final answer is x minus y, y minus z into z minus x. 10th question. So here C1 replace with C1 replace with C1 minus C2. Next C2 replace with C2 minus C3. So then what will happen here? First x C1 replace with C1 minus C2. So x minus y, here x square minus y square, yz minus zx. Next C2 replace with C2 minus C3. So y minus z, y square minus z square, zx minus xy, and the C3 will come as it is. So z square xy. So now it is equals to, here x minus y minus y, here x square minus y square can write as a x plus y into x minus y, and from this take the z common, but you will get y minus x. So that is why take minus z common. So if take the minus z common, x minus y will come. So next one is y minus z, here same y plus z into y minus z, and here we can take the x common, but we will get z minus y. So that is why take minus x common, so y minus z, and the last column is z square xy. So now it is equals to, so here we can take the x minus y common from the first column, and y minus z common from the second column. So then 1, here x plus y minus z, next to 1 y plus z minus x, so z square xy. So now C2 replace with C2 minus C1. So then it is equals to x minus y into y minus z mod So here 1, so 1 minus 1 x to y plus z minus, take the bracket, x plus y. So then what will happen here? X to minus x minus of minus z, and the third column is z square x y. So now it is equals to x minus y into y minus z. So 1 x plus y minus z, 1 minus 1 0. So here y plus z minus x minus y minus x plus z. So z square x y. So then it is equals to x minus y into y minus z mod 1 x plus y minus z. So 0, here plus y minus y cancel, so z minus x, and here is a z minus x, x to z square x y. So then x minus y into y minus z. So from the second column we can take the z minus x common. So then 1 x plus y minus z, here 0 1 1. So z square x y. So now expand the first row element, y minus z into z minus x. So check the bracket. Here the first element is 1. So 1 into bracket of here xy minus z square, and the second element is 0. So next to third element is z. So x plus y into 1 minus of minus plus z into 1. So then x minus y into y minus z into z minus x. So 1 into xy is xy minus z square plus z into x. So zx plus zy plus z square. Minus z square plus z square cancel. So x minus y, y minus z, z minus x into, so here xy plus yz plus zx. So this is our required answer.